Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how AI tools can support active learning in a variety of ways. And first, I want to dive into what active learning really is. I'm sure you all know, but just a quick refresher so that we can all be on the same page and understand the perspective that we're looking through. So, active learning is a type of learning where the learner is directly engaged in the learning process. So, this could mean that learners are either participating in what's getting taught, which could be coming through the form of discussions or interaction through media or games, reflecting, problem solving, um, working through a simulation, or creating something that will support learning. Um, there are so many ways that you can achieve active learning. Those are just some examples. But the main idea is that learners are not just receiving the information passively, but are actually applying and practicing and taking the information to make connections to their previous knowledge as well. So, this really goes back to the first activity that we did where you made a prediction about what you thought we would learn this week. That was active learning. You participated because you prepared your mind to make new connections with what we've been going through this week to your previous knowledge. So that is really important to point out. And congrats on participating in active learning and making connections to grow your knowledge. But now let's dive into how AI can support active learning. So there are several methods and several ways that AI really plays a part in active learning, and it for sure depends on the tool and your intent of how you want to use or leverage the AI tool for active learning. One of my personal favorites is using AI as a study buddy. So the fancy term for this is intelligent tutoring, but basically, if you engage with the AI tool, you give it prompts to help quiz you or to help you master a concept, and you kind of tell the tool where you're already at. It can be a great way to not only expand your knowledge, but to um, really help grow, like I said, those previous connections to the new connections that you're going to be making as you uh, go through whatever activities that the AI tool suggests, as you look into resources that it suggests. You can definitely have a back and forth discussion with the AI tool as well. It basically is like having a study buddy human with you, but one that is a little bit more advanced than you, maybe, and can actually expand your knowledge. I'm sure some of you have had study buddies in the past that maybe weren't as helpful as you would hope for, but the good thing is that AI has access to all of the knowledge on the internet so that you are able to really expand your knowledge. So it is like having a study buddy that is maybe a little bit uh, more well versed than you are in whatever particular topic you want to learn more about. So, um, anyway, you can use AI to grow your skills through giving it specific prompts. You can ask it for help in areas of difficulty that you are having or confusion, and basically use it as a tool to bridge the gap between whatever knowledge you have and wherever you want to be. So, that's a great way to go about it. Another way is through what's called an interactive learning environment, where you can basically ask the AI tool to provide hands on activities, simulations, scenarios, or any of those active learning things that I mentioned earlier to practice, to help you or your learner practice building your skills. So basically, it's like creating a simulation of an in person classroom to help you grow your skills while having access to something that's generative and can actually help you identify and build those gaps. And what's great about this is it's very personalized. So, again, if you give the tool the information about what you want to learn, where you're at, and any gaps that you know of, and go from there, it can actually generate content for you to help build those gaps, which is awesome. There are so many use cases, and I highly encourage you to keep looking into those and to test them out. It's really fun to kind of play with some of these things. All right, I'll see you in the next video.